The IRS will never call you with threats of being arrested if you don't pay up, but those calls are on the uptick during tax season. There are also calls, texts, and emails from tax refund robbers trying to file taxes in your name and steal your refund.
This is not me.
Lincoln Park resident Maxine Scott was surprised to receive this letter from the IRS, alerting her that a tax refund was filed in her name. She knows it wasn't her because Scott hasn't filed taxes due to her income status.
I'm worried about if those people get that money, then I'm gonna have to pay it back.
With the help of her cousin, they're trying to resolve the issue with the IRS. You told the IRS it wasn't her that filed.
Yes, so they did have a section on the website that asked us explicitly, did you file taxes? And we were able to tell them that no, it was not us.
Scott isn't sure how the thieves got her personal information, but experts say criminals are ramping up phishing attacks in order to file taxes in your name. They're sending texts and emails with bogus links, even making calls pretending to be the IRS, asking for your social security number, date of birth, and more.
The best thing you can do is, if you're unsure, even if you're even slightly unsure if a call is legitimate or not, is to not give out any personal information.
Most phone carriers like T-Mobile have programs and tech which you can opt into that may block numbers from bad actors. The technology weeds out suspicious calls.
When that scam call hits our network, it will be blocked at that level and won't even go to your phone.
You should also watch out for calls from numbers that share the first 6 digits of your phone number. Or it could even be your entire number cloned. Experts say these spoofed numbers are designed to fool people into picking up what looks like a familiar number.
If we see lots of outbound calls coming from a specific number, but no one answering or no numbers going back to that, that's another sign that someone is probably trying to scam customers.
Some of those callers may also threaten a phony arrest and demand immediate payment via gift card or cryptocurrency.
If you're not sure if the caller is in fact a legitimate IRS agent, ask for their badge number and ask for a callback number, and they'll provide that for you.
Tax preparers are also on the alert, watching out for fraudsters who could be filing in other people's names.
You have to be very careful when filing someone's taxes now, because they can send you all of somebody else's information and give you their bank information and file their taxes.
Maxine Scott and her cousin used the IRS's website to upload proof of who she is and that she did not file that 2021 tax refund. She's waiting on confirmation from the IRS. In the meantime, they're worried that criminals who stole her identity could do even more damage.
At this point, it sounds like someone does have her name and personal identification.
If you are a victim of identity theft, you should freeze your credit with all 3 credit bureaus and file a detailed police report. If you are a victim of a tax scam, also file a report at irs.gov. We have more tax scam resources on our website, abc7chicago.com.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.